Dictionaries are data structures in Python that are used to store key value pairs. Let's take a look at a practical example of a dictionary data structure. Let's say I have three lists. Each list contains a data point of a specific attribute of a player. Say I have a list of player names, player position and player age. And if I want to combine these three lists into a single list, I can do that by using the zip function. Let me run this cell first, and now I can pass these three list objects to the zip function and run this. It will now return to me a list of tuples. You can see it has returned a list of tuples, and each tuple contains the player name, the player position and the age. Now, if I want to perform some analysis on this list of tuples, say I want to know how many defenders I have in the team, or what is the average age of a defender, or is a specific player there as a defender for me, I can do all these data analysis using the dictionary object. So let us create a blank dictionary object here, and now for every item in this list, I will unpack each tuple that is contained in this list. So for player name, position and age in the player underscore list, we will check if the position is not in the keys of the dictionary. If there exists no key for the specific position, then we will add a key for that position, and for the value we will give the list of tuple of player name and age. If the player position exists, then we will append that to the existing key of the dictionary, right? So that is how we create this dictionary, and we iterate through the loop. So I'll run this. Now if I run this dictionary, you can I need to run this again, because once you call the object returned by a zip, it becomes null again. So I need to run this again. Now I'll run this, and when I run this, you can see I have now a dictionary, and the keys are each position that exists for the player. So I have a key for a defender, a forward, a winger and midfielder, and for each key the value is a list of tuples containing, and each tuple contains the name and the age of the player. Now I can do interesting analysis using the dictionary. Say I want to find what is the average age for the forward position. So I can do that. I can get first the length of in the forward key of the dictionary, and for each tuple in that list I will take the age and I will add it, and then finally I'll divide by the total age by the total players, and I'll get the average. You can see that. Now I can find how many players I have in the defender position by finding the length of the dictionary position for defender. So it will return to me a list of tuples, and I can take the length of that, and I can know how many defenders I have. So I can run that. You can see I have 3 defenders. If you check here, 3 defenders. And if I want to say a specific player exists as a defender or not, then again I can get the list for the specific key, and I will unpack the tuple, and I will check if the player exists in the tuple. So these are some interesting data analysis tasks we can do with the dictionary object. It's important to understand these fundamentals, because these concepts will come in other data analysis tasks that you do, or any other module or class that you may use for data analysis using Python. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel and like and comment on this video below. Thank you.